3 letters. NFT. Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't realized already in the cryptocurrency space, or even if you're in the mainstream media, you'll see that NFTs have been going absolutely crazy. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about an awesome project that is involved in the materialization, the physical materialization of an NFT. So you've got an NFT token, right? It's in its digital format, but you want to turn that into a physical format, okay? It's all well and good having a, CryptoPunk in a digital format, but what about if you want to show it off to your friends? Because let's face it, some people out there are just going to want to do that, okay? What if you want to get it printed on a t-shirt? What if you maybe want to get like a 3D, image of this particular CryptoPunk printed out? I'm pretty sure that if I spent, what was it? I think $8 million a CryptoPunk went for the other day. $8 million for the ownership of a CryptoPunk. It sounds crazy, but I'm loving it, okay? I'm absolutely loving it. I'm in full support of whoever made that purchase, okay? Now, this person, I'm assuming they're gonna wanna have a 3D image of this CryptoPunk, and why not? This company at Uniquely is a company, cryptocurrency, that I'm gonna be talking to you about in today's video that is bridging the gap. They're bridging the gap. They are materializing NFTs and bringing them into the real world. They're bringing them to life, and I'm extremely excited to be covering this project today in today's video. But before we do jump right in and discuss this project and have a look at their website, I just want to talk to you a little bit about my experience in NFTs so far and what I think you need to know. Now, you're going to hear a lot of people out there, saying that NFTs are stupid, they're bollocks, all this kind of thing. Now, look, anybody who says that pretty much when I hear someone say that, whether it's on Twitter or Facebook, social media, YouTube, anyone who says that, NFTs are stupid, to me, that's pretty much like them saying, or the equivalent of them saying, Bitcoin is stupid. Was it stupid if I bought Bitcoin in 2009 at say $1 and I sold at like $60,000? Is that stupid to make $60,000 just like that? Tell me, because if the answer is yes and you do think that's stupid, then I don't know what planet you're on, but that's essentially the way I'm seeing the NFT space at the moment, all right? It doesn't matter if you think it's stupid. The fact of the matter is people are willing to spend millions of dollars on digital ownership of these items, these NFTs, and they are going to continue to want to do this as time goes on. Like with any investment class, there are going to be some NFTs that are just going to be absolutely worth nothing. There are thousands upon thousands of NFTs that are being created every single day, and most of them, I'll be honest, most of the actual NFTs, the non-fungible tokens themselves, will be worth nothing in 5 years. However, that being said, if you can work out which of these NFTs might actually be worth something in 5 to 10 years time, you could be very, very well off with a solid NFT investment. If you are someone that enjoys NFTs or you want to learn a bit more about cryptocurrency and just some of the best ways to earn passive income online, then make sure you do consider liking this video because it really does support the channel. Subscribe to the channel and turn those notification bells on as I cover this new hot and developing trend. Then if you thought for a second that NFTs weren't even mainstream, well, I kid you not, they actually are now, okay? In the BBC, we just had a news report of Beeple, okay? Digital artist selling, one of his digital pieces for I think around $7 million US, okay? There's a picture of it right here and you can see it. You really also do need to understand though, folks, if you do choose to NFTs, you are doing this at your own risk. I'm not your financial advisor. These videos are never financial advice. You've got to always do your own research. Alrighty, folks, let's hop on into it. Let's check out Uniquely. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, enough faffing around. Let's get into uniquely.io. So I will leave a description for uniquely.io and all the information about its white paper as well in the description of this video if you want to check it out in further detail. So let's just start right up the top of the page and we can scroll our way down. The first bridge between NFT and physical products. Uniquely.io, the first marketplace and escrow that allows you to create and trade NFT tokens with the possibility of materializing them in the real world. Our business model was born in response to a real market need. There is currently no bridge between the world of virtual non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and real-world goods. We set out to create a platform that would become the missing piece of the entire NFT ecosystem and accelerate further expansion of this great trend. With our revolutionary solution, we intend to break into the mainstream and create unique, personalized clothing and/or other products authenticated using blockchain. Uniquely.io guarantees that all NFTs created on our platform are physically backed and can be claimed at any time. I like it. Alrighty, folks, as you can see, just scrolling down here, okay, we've got a t-shirt here used as an example, and we can see the QR codes here, okay? And if we're talking about the NFT tokenization of the physical goods, this is how they do it, okay? So I'm really liking this sort of innovative solution here, putting actual QR codes, physical QR codes on these particular physical goods. Again, t-shirt in this example. So that can actually be scanned and you can actually see that true blockchain ownership, okay? So you can see that true digital ownership of the NFT that would back this particular t-shirt in this example, okay? If we scroll down and have a bit of a read through and have a look at the generator, so this is pretty cool, okay? So got uniquely in here, so, you know, I could have a, you know, Satoshi t-shirt, you know, or maybe like a what is good t-shirt there. Every uniquely.io user will be able to create an NFT token backed by a real world product featuring their art, meme, company logo, slogan, etc. Our generator allows you to create over 40 different products such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, masks, and many, many more. Thanks to our generator, your favorite artists, influencers will also be able to easily create real NFT collections for their community. So this t-shirt, guys, is just an example, okay? But there are other products that you're going to be able to use as well. It goes on to talk about the marketplace, okay? So they're eventually going to have a marketplace where you can actually trade. You know, you can trade your NFT tokens that they will create for you on the marketplace, okay, that are backed by those real world goods and providing that authenticity there. And it's really good to see that they are offering an escrow service here, okay? So they've created that solution. Uniquely.io brings you the possibility to materialize your favorite NFT tokens from outside of the ecosystem, such as CryptoPunks, hash masks, super rare, and many, many more. So I'm going to show you an example here, folks. So as an example, assuming that you are the owner of CryptoPunk 2890, and with this you'll have the full rights to it, we can then materialize it. So you're going to basically, you know, you're going to verify that you've got the rights to that particular CryptoPunk 2890, which we will click on just here. This little fella here has just sold for on the 23rd of January for 761,899 USD. Absolutely crazy. And then someone thought that, you know, she would sell it for $1,471. Possibly a little bit ludicrous there, a little bit ambitious there on the price, okay? So, you know, something like that particular CryptoPunk, guys, you know, uniquely are going to provide the ecosystem and the infrastructure to be able to create that. I mean, how cool would it be to have that in a 3D format, that CryptoPunk in a 3D format? I can tell you right now, I would definitely be doing that myself. So I definitely think there could be a place for that here. And you know how much I love a good bit of passive income, whether it's through staking, yield farming, whatever it is, okay? So I love the fact that they have got this token staking model in place. Some limited NFT collections will only be available as a reward for locking up your unique tokens for a specific time period. So, you know, you're gonna have an option to stake your unique tokens, okay? And a reward for that, you're gonna be getting some nice limited edition NFT rewards that, you know, you never know, they could be worth some value in the future, and, you know, you're gonna be able to trade them and potentially auction them off on the marketplace as well, okay? So something to really keep an eye on there as well. And they've got full transparency here with the roadmap, guys, as well here, which is really good to see. And something I really want to just take a bit of time and pause on is the actual use cases for the UNIQ token itself, okay? Because they did just have a pre-sale, it did sell out, guys, and there are some more coming up as far as I'm aware of, okay? So let's go through and have a look at these, because these are pretty important, okay? The first point is going to be the commission discount on each purchase and sale on our platform in return for holding unique tokens. Pretty cool. 15% of profits from the platform are paid to unique holders as ETH dividends, okay? So if the company does well, guys, they're going to pay you 15% of their profits spread against their, you know, against unique holders, okay? So I'm not sure if, you know, the more unique you hold, the more ETH dividends you get. I assume it will be something like that, but again, I'm not sure. I'll have to check up on that. Okay, 15% of the profits from the platform are spent on the buyback and burn of unique tokens. Really, really cool to see that they are going to be implementing a burn model, okay? So burn model obviously is going to be affecting the scarcity of the unique token. Unique token holders can receive more profits in our affiliate program, okay? So we can touch on that maybe in some future videos. Unique tokens can be staked for special NFT rewards. So that's probably one of the most appealing things to me, okay? Staking my unique, you know, to get some special NFT rewards, which, look, let's face it, they could be worth some money in the future if this company uniquely.io does do some amazing things. Discounts on products and services when paying with a unique token, that's always good, bit of a discount, and access to exclusive collections for owners of at least 10,000 unique tokens. Option to highlight and promote auctions will be available only to unique token holders. Alrighty, folks, so if we scroll down a little bit further, okay, we've got the total supply here and some information on the tokenomics. And again, if you want to click on the white paper, check that out as well. Just go in the link in the description and you'll be able to see that in a little bit more detail, okay? 63% just gone on the pre-sale, so very interesting stuff here. And here's some more information on the pre-sale, okay? So we've had a seed sale, we've had a private sale A, had a private sale B. Those three have all sold out, okay? We had 14 cents, 18 cents, and 19 cents. And the public sale A white that list, okay, it's going to be 23 cents and a heart and a cap of 680k USD, and that's going to be announced, okay, so I'll be letting you know when that will be coming live. We then got some further information on the token release schedule if you want to have a look at that in a little bit more detail. Then if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we've got full transparency with the team, okay, so they've all got their LinkedIns connected here, okay, we've got the CEO, the co-founder, the head of legal, head of marketing there, and the NFT fashion designer, so full transparency there, really great to see, and a little bit of press action here down the bottom, and all their socials are down the bottom as well here, guys. Alrighty folks, so what do we make of this? How do you feel about the Unique token? How do you feel about Uniquely? Do you think it is a potential project that could be around in a few years time? Look, I definitely think there is some potential here. Of course, they are still in infancy stages, okay, but you know, the NFT space is just simply taking off at the moment. NFTs have been around for a few years, but they're only recently starting to develop some real traction. I know for a fact that there are some, you know, there's millions of dollars, as we did discuss at the start of the video, in this space. People are prepared to spend millions, and I think these kinds of people that are sort of happy to throw around these bigger amounts of money are probably going to be really excited to engage in a, you know, a company or a cryptocurrency like Unique and materialize their NFTs, okay? Maybe it's not for everyone, but it doesn't necessarily have to be either, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be either. It just has to be enough people that actually want to take action and, you know, get involved in a project like this. I can honestly say from the bottom of my heart, if I'm someone who's spending, you know, $8 million for a CryptoPunk and Uniquely offering me a service where I can materialize, you know, the physical ownership of that, and then, you know, have my QR code officially on there as well and get some benefits for holding that Unique token as well, then look, I'm going to be on board with this, okay? I don't currently hold any Unique token at the moment because I only have just recently found out about this project, but I will be looking at getting into the next public sale when I can. Any other comments or questions at all, ladies and gentlemen, about Uniquely or any NFT business at all, please leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you do that. Make sure if you enjoyed the video today, like the video, okay, and comment on the video as well. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Turn those little notification bells on as well if you want to see some more NFT madness, and make sure you do check out my NFT awesomeness playlist, which will come up in just a moment. So from wherever you are watching from in the world, I really do hope you have a blessed and profitable day in the cryptocurrency space, and I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers.